Andy Byron, caught on camera earlier this week having an affair at the Coldplay concert, issued a statement asking for privacy, calling out Coldplay, and then stepped down and resigned from his position as CEO of his company. His wife issued her own statement, which makes it appear like they are headed for divorce. How will Byron's stepping down and no longer being employed impact his divorce? I'm Billy Tarasio, Arizona family law attorney, 20-year lawyer, and when somebody steps down from their job, it can have significant impacts on their divorce. Andy issued a statement on July 17th. His wife issued a statement on July 18th, although there's no official confirmation that she made this statement, although she also hasn't come out and said that this isn't her statement. But if this is her statement, right here, I have retained counsel. I have reviewed holdings. I have reallocated which was once ours into now very cleanly mine. I'm not spiraling, I'm ascending. And while Andy may have quoted Coldplay in his statement, I will simply say when the lights went out, I saw everything clearly. To those who expected tears, I didn't cry. I schedule, I document, I rebuild. Okay, so this woman is not shocked that she was being cheated on by her husband. This woman had been thinking about divorce long before this incident, because I have seen people process affairs, and you don't process an affair from someone that you love, from a family that you believe is intact, in a week. Andy is now unemployed. A voluntary reduction in his employment. The official statement from the company was that they accepted his resignation. He simply stepped down. So what is a court going to do with this now unemployed and cheating publicly Andy Byron? And how will that impact his wife? In Massachusetts, just like in Arizona, if you are voluntarily unemployed, you can be attributed income. So a judge could take whatever income Andy was making while working as a CEO and pretend he's still making that and award child support and alimony as if he were making that amount. One of the things they look at is, was it voluntary or involuntary? And in this case, there's all this public evidence, so much public evidence already of what has happened in their marriage. What do you think? Do you think she saw this coming? And do you think it was a good idea for Andy to quit?